Hey everybody, welcome to Zbourne. I'm back. I got away from YouTube because I wasn't doing all that well for health-wise, health reasons and whatnot. So I decided to, step back, get my health in order. Part of it was sleep deprived, and I couldn't figure it out why. And I went to a doctor and they says, well, let's go for a sleep study. So I went for a sleep study, and now I've got a sleep apnea machine for sleeping at night. And that's been about 8 months now that I've been on it. Roughly 8 months. Yeah, almost a year now. And it's been doing great. I do have to get another mask because the one I got is just not doing great anymore. So that's one issue. The other issue is I have osteoarthritis in my knees, my hip, and I'm almost positive it's in my back and on my way to my shoulders now. And a few other health issues that I just don't want to get into because, I just don't want to say it on the air. But, like I said, I'm back, and you know what? This time, I'm not going to do the e-cigarettes or the juice. But, yes, I am still vaping. I did quit for a little bit. Roughly about 4 months. I wasn't doing so well, and it's better to go get a e-juice than going to get a pack of cigarettes. It's a hell of a lot cheaper, so I've been sticking with this. But yeah, it's been quite a while since I stopped smoking cigarettes, and it's been awesome. That was one of the reasons why I went to vaping, is because I was having health issues because of the smoking part of it. Anyways, I'm going to be doing tech and camera reviews and a little bit of DIY. Basically, I'm new to DSLRs and all these lenses and different things. I used to have like a Panasonic handy cam for all my GoPro for all my camera work, and that's all I used before. Now I have a Panasonic GH7. I know it's a little outdated, but you know what? It's going to do what I need to do for the time being. But I also have another camera, which I need lenses for. And that is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. That's a mouthful and a half. Yeah, I bought that, and I'm very pleased with it, with the lens I got. And anyways, another YouTuber gave me an idea for a DIY. I have actually a couple, but this one was actually pretty dang good. And it's basically mounted to my desk. And I want to do a portable version where I could just, walk around in anywhere. Which is Supremo, which I like. I just gotta get the parts and get her done, get a video out, show what I've done and how I set it up. That's kind of a neat way of doing things. I would have never thought of it like that, and then I seen that video and that worked out awesome for me. So I'm gonna do a DIY kind of version of my own. Not like what he did, but something like it. So yeah, on that note, I do believe I'm back. I'll probably try to do a video a week, if not every 2 weeks, and see how things go. If I get a little more gear and whatnot, I'll do it whenever I can. But preferably, I want to do one pretty well every week. But if I start getting, stuff sent to me, I'll start doing them too. But yeah, basically tech, USB batteries, or little portable Bluetooth speakers, or stuff, cool tech that you could never think of getting or whatnot. The other would be cameras. Like I said, I am new to DSLR, so if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. You guys will comment down below. I am on a learning process for DSLRs right now. I'm getting there. I just got to figure out my lenses for what I want for the BMP 4K. BMP CC 4K. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. And I already have it down to about 4 lenses that I want to get. They're all Rokinon scene lenses. They're not the expensive ones that are like $3,000. They're the budget ones, a little lower end. And hopefully I'll be getting one this year, maybe 2. I don't know yet. Yeah, the other thing what did I want to say? Oh, I am definitely want to get into some of the cinematographic side of cameras. That's why I bought the Pocket Cinema 4K. I want to do like a couple of short films, 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. It depends. I've been writing one out right now for quite a while. Basically the first one I did, I haven't produced or anything yet, which is a really short one. I think you guys will find it comical if I ever get it done. The other one, I'm writing a horror, and that one's going to be a little bit longer, and it's going to be done in segments. I'm not going to do it all in one video shoot. It's going to be like 10-minute segments of each type thing, like a small mini series type thing. Whenever I get that finished and written. And yeah, I think that's going to be about it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the bell notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also dislike or like. It doesn't help, doesn't matter to me. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Oh well, it all helps out the channel anyway. Yeah, follow my Instagram, my Twitter. Those are the only ones I really use. I do have a Facebook page. If you want to go there, I'll have the link down below for all of them. And I'm going to have to say, I'm back. And now, I'm gone. Peace the hell out and for the fun of it. Ciao.